Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the presentation. Now, you're already getting free signals from freeforex.co. This company, Tradera, is the company behind freeforex.co. It is how we get all our signals. It is how we get all our training. It is the company that is powering the signals that you're already seeing. So let's go ahead and get into it very quickly. The company was founded in 2018. It's based out of the US. It's a financial services platform and is 100% debt free. It does not owe any money to anyone. They are really focused on two different industries. First is network marketing, which does over $180 billion annually, and the foreign exchange market. That's foreign exchange could also be called Forex, and that market turns over $6 trillion a day in trades. It's incredibly liquid. So when you combine both, you have something incredibly powerful. In the network marketing space, over 10,000 companies, $180 billion industry, over 130 million people earn money from network marketing. It's endorsed by celebrities. It's a low-risk business. And in this business in particular, you can get started for as little as $100, which is crazy, and it's highly lucrative, and we're going to get into that a little bit later. Now, on the Forex market side of things, it's currency exchange. If you've ever been to the airport, if you've ever traveled internationally, you will see people that change your US dollars or whatever your base currency is into the currency of the country. And the reason why that's there is because obviously you need the right currency in order to make purchases in the country. But there is an exchange rate, and that exchange rate tells them how much money to give you for the money that you give them. Okay, so that turns over, and that's a very small scale because there are banks that are doing this, but that turns over $6.8 trillion a day. It's the largest financial market in the world. It's easily accessible. Literally, anyone that has a computer or a cell phone can take access in these markets, and it runs 24/5. So 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it is traded by banks and institutions and individuals. Our basic goals when getting into the market, and this is what Tradera is going to help with, is telling you when to buy and when to sell and when to not do anything. And what's very unique about this is that you can make money buying, selling, when the market goes up, when the market goes down. If you've ever been interested in business, then you've probably heard that the goal is to buy low and sell high. Well, guess what? You could do that here in the markets, but you could sell without having bought, which increases the amount of money that you could make in the market. So here's what you're going to get with Tradera. You're going to get trading education, trade alerts, live sessions, market forecasts, and a trade community. We're going to go into each just a little bit more so you understand exactly what you're getting for your $100 a month. First, you're going to get your trading education. This is the baseline knowledge. No one should ever enter a market or try to trade without having a baseline knowledge. This online trading education platform is comprehensive. It takes you from beginner or brand new to intermediate. It literally gives you the understanding of the markets, of structure, of different signals that the market gives you to let you know that you should buy or you should sell. It tells you how to manage your risk and how to create a trading plan. All of these things are imperative. This is the first step to success in the Forex markets. Without having this baseline understanding, nothing else matters. But after you have that baseline understanding, you can plug into our trade alerts. Literally, we have traders and master traders that are giving signals that tell you when to enter the market, when to exit the market, so that you can have success. Going back to that last slide, though, you must have the baseline knowledge so you know how to manage your risk. These trade alerts are sent out automatically, and they are sent through Telegram currently, just like the signals from freeforex.co are. But probably the most valuable thing that we provide is the live sessions. The live sessions are conducted by top traders. every single Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, excluding holidays, the master trader will go through all the charts and all the analysis. Will mark up charts live. Okay, and if you have questions, this is why you should be on it live. If you have questions specifically about certain pairs, they will literally mark up the charts in front of you and will send them out. This way you know what to expect from the markets before you get there. It is incredible. I don't know where you could get 1 to 2 hours a day of expert advice every Sunday through Thursday, 5 days a week, for $100 a month. It's absolutely crazy. And then you have the market forecast. It's posted by experienced traders in our back office. It breaks down certain pairs. This way, if you miss a live session, you still know where certain pairs are going to go. Incredibly valuable as well. And then we have a trade community. And if you've ever had the privilege of talking with a hedge fund manager, you realize that they have more than one trader. And this is so the traders could bounce ideas off of each other and make smarter decisions when they enter the market. And literally, this is what our trade community does. So let's talk about the business side of things. How you could go ahead and build a network, build a business, build residual income, and get a free membership. In life, there are only two types of income. There are active income. This is you trading your time for money. And then there is passive income. And passive income usually involves either you owning a system and the system makes you money, or your money making you money. And in Tradera in particular, and with freeforex.co, you have a system that could make you money, and in the markets, your money can make you money. The compensation plan that I'm about to get into is absolutely ridiculous, and I'm super excited about it. Let me turn off this volume. This way you don't get that in the background anymore, and let's continue going. So here's the compensation plan, and I'm so glad that we could do it in one page. It's only $100 a month to get started, but the moment you bring on 3 people in your first month, in your first 28 days, you now have a free membership. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to where it says personal referrals. And if you look all the way across from the beginning to the end, you see that the number is 3. This is incredibly important. This way you understand what is happening. Because there's only the requirement of 3 personal referrals, what every top leader in this organization is doing is after they hit 3, they are signing other people up underneath their teammates. So literally, when you get started today, if the person you sign up with has more than 3 people, you could expect that when they sign up the 4th, it could potentially fall into your organization and could potentially be a personal referral. I've only been in now a week, and I can tell you that I've given away over 20 signups to my teammates. And so when you have leadership like this, it literally allows you to earn without necessarily having the network. Now, a little disclaimer, you shouldn't count on that. You should put in some work. You should share this opportunity with others. But if enough time is given and enough leadership is there, you could also build an income without the need to recruit anyone that you personally know. Let's go through these ranks, and it's super simple. Night, when you have 10 people, the balance needs to be 4 people in leg 1, 4 people in leg 2, 2 people in leg 3. You're making $500 a month. Noble, 10, 10, and 5, 25 people, $1,000 a month. Bishop, 30, 30, 15, 75 people, you're making $2,000 a month. Duke or Duchess, 250 people, 100, 150, you're making $5,000 a month. Prince or Princess, 200, 200, 100, 500 people. And when I say people, these are people with active memberships, not just individuals. Who cares about that? They must have an active membership. You are making $10,000 a month, and we keep on going. King and Queen, 400, 400, 200. 1,000 people with active memberships equals $20,000 a month. Emperor, Empress, 1,000, 1,500, 2,500 people with an active membership equals 50,000 a month. And then Legend, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, 5,000 people total with an active membership equals $100,000 a month. Now, when you get started today, make sure that you sign up just as a client, that is a customer account. And when you get to the point that you could earn income, that's when you become an IBO, okay? So part of the reason that we need to do this is to make sure that we have more customers and business builders in the business, but we're all customers and all products of the product. So I already went over Founder. Refer 3 members and qualify for a completely free membership. The moment you have 3 people that have raised their hands that you personally sign up, your membership is free. So now you are getting all the value that we are providing, but you are getting it absolutely free. Okay, you're going to get the company website, the member community, the official events, the live presentations, the marketing tools, and the way you get started today. We don't even talk about the IBO membership because if you are not willing to put the money to learn, you should only sell what you believe in. You should only sell what you have experienced. So we invite you today to get started with the client membership. Pay $99 today. Let's get started. Still start referring people for our customer referral program. Get 3 people that want to learn how to trade and get a free membership. So in summary, you're going to learn how to trade. You're going to earn while you learn. The business opportunity is absolutely ridiculous, and you're going to join Tradera today. And then this website, freeforex.co, is going to help you. So when people are on the fence and they're not sure whether or not they are ready to buy the membership, they get to experience some of the perks of the membership before they actually buy. We think that this is the fairest deal in Forex. We think that you're going to love what we bring to the table, and you're going to thoroughly enjoy being a part of Tradera. We look forward to having you on the team. Thank you so much for your attention, and you have a great day on purpose.